Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select additional settings, and here you should go to device and privacy, which is here. Now if you will scroll down, you will notice remove all user certificates, so just tap on it, and then confirm it by tapping on remove all user certificates. You just have to be aware that this operation cannot be undone. So if you are sure, just enter your passcode if you have one. And that's it. All user certificates have been removed. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.